Gonna show that it powers on, the light is on, the switch to the motor. Now it does spin, you can see it spinning, but the belt is not the correct belt that's on here. So I'm gonna shut it off again. You can see it stop, spin. I'm gonna turn it off, and then I'm gonna manually turn this, and you can see that it does turn the shaft. So start your bidder now. Get your brake lathe going. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Some accessories in the drawers. Start your bidding now, fellas. Nice piece of equipment for any garage. Whoop, whoop, whoop.